I'm Shenggen Fan, Director General of International Food Policy Research Institute. Welcome to IFPRI. So today we have a policy seminar on the CGIAR reform, the update of the new CGIAR reform. The speaker is the new CEO of the consortium, CGIAR Consortium, Frank Rijsberman. And as you know, the CGIAR has been in its existence for 40 years. During the first and the second decades of the CGIAR reform, the whole CGIAR introduced many different varieties, semi-dwarf wheat, semi-dwarf rice, and these varieties helped to move lots of poor people, hungry people out of poverty. So without the CGIAR improved seeds, and without the Green Revolution, which CGIAR was fully behind, there would have billions more poor people, hungry people in this world. So CGIAR's contribution to global food security has been tremendous. However, when the CGIAR entered into the new millennium, the CGIAR was facing some challenges. We continue to work on productivity, on production issues. We expand to natural resource management issues. However, the world continues to face hunger, poverty, malnutrition challenges. So under that context, CGIAR launched a reform around probably late 2008, 2009. The whole process started in 2007. So this new CGIAR, the consortium of CGIAR, was formed in December 2009. So I just became Director General of IFPRI. Could you imagine such a big hit on me right away, December 2009. So the whole system has been reformed, changed. And this time it's real, although that sort of rumor has been there for a decade or two. So December 2009 was the threshold. And this new CGIAR really touches my own heart. The new CGIAR has three strategic objectives. One is food for people, so you are eating nutritious food here, environment for people, and policy for people. So three strategic objectives. And under the three strategic objectives, there are 3 or 4 system outcomes outlined in its new strategy results framework. And number 1, to reduce poverty. Number 2, to reduce hunger. And number 3, to improve nutrition and health. And finally, to sustainably management our resources, natural resources. And I'm really glad to see this. The broadened mandate of CGIAR, broadened scope of CGIAR's research beyond traditional production technology work to include broader development issues, hunger reduction, poverty reduction, reduction of malnutrition. So as part of this reform, the 15 large CGIAR research programs have been developed. So these 15 programs are the instruments in delivering these 4 system outcomes. And IFPRI is leading 2 of them. So among 15 of the CRP's CGIAR research programs, CRP2, the agricultural policy institutions and the markets, so very large research program that accounts for probably 60–70% of IFPRI's traditional policy work. And in the meantime, also covers other centers' work. So we have lots of partnership with other centers and non-CGIAR centers. So I'm glad that the new CRP2 director, Karen, is here. Where's Karen? Karen Brooks, right? So she will join us. It's incoming, so she will join us on August 1st. And CRP4, linking agriculture for improved nutrition and health, is led by John McDermott. So we are leading 2 large CRPs, or CGIAR research programs. So Frank joined CGIAR May 28th, right? It's very fresh, brand new, about a month, a little bit over a month. So he joined at a really right time. and a very tricky time as well. So as we reform to the next step of the reforms. So the leadership, the commitment from the CEO is critical. Frank is not new to us, so he has more than 30 years of development experience. He was the Director General of one of IFPRI sister centers, International Irrigation Research Institute. Right now it's International Water Management Institute, IMI, for 7 years. Then he joined Google Foundation to lead its water and sanitation work. And later on, he moved to Melinda Gates Foundation. So the combination of engineering, social economics, and management, and philanthropic organizations work. So it really brings unique experience to CGIAR. So today he will spend 30 minutes to explain to us what his vision, his plan to lead the CGIAR, to lead the consortium. So after that, we have probably 45 minutes for your questions. I know you probably have lots of questions for Frank. Frank, you have 30 minutes. Let's welcome you, Frank.
Thank you.